I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Alright, we now are at Sunrise Peak, Hongsan Il-chul. Oh god! This is my preparation for tomorrow. We're hiking a mountain tomorrow. Stairs. So many stairs. So much hill. I am so out of shape, guys. I'm so out of shape. Oh, 진짜. Made it. I made it to the top. 180 meters. I am such a weakling, guys. But look, I made it. It's so pretty. I'm so
made it.
What is going on?
Where are the dolphins? It's supposed to be a dolphin show.
Oh. We're here at the aquarium and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, there it is. There's all the fishies. Look at all the fishies.
Like frost nipping at your nose.
If you think about it, if you flip it the other way, we are the attraction to the penguins, you know?
Although it's been said,
Jeju's so extra with the Christmas decks in these tanks though. Also peep the pandas. Look at, there's a family of 4. Pretzel and ice cream, breaky break. Ooh. Chimek plus makgeolli plus soju plus wine plus Coca-Cola. And convenience store snackage. Yay! Come back! Spicy ramen challenge, boys edition.
They look like they're dying.
Job! Sitting in Jeju. Just woke up from my nap. We're about to go on a little hike on Hallasan mountain, which is the tallest mountain in Korea. So, let's go. It's cold.
안녕하세요.
가자! Gotta play those Christmas jams though. Oh yeah, Spotify Premium download your playlist, everyone. I downloaded my Christmas one because you know, Christmas all the time.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
We survived the blizzard. We deserve a meal. Yay. Yay. My camera died on the way. I don't know how this is alive right now actually. Maybe it's because it's like warmer now. But yeah, we went through a blizzard and it was horrible, but we survived, so go mountains. Yay. Oh God bless. Hungry hikers.
Not a steak.
Wow, so classy. Classy. Yeah. We are now at Jeju International Airport waiting for our flight back to Gimpo, back to Seoul. Your girl is tired, but we climbed the mountain today, survived the blizzard, ate some dang food. Kim was the real MVP. Shout out to Trazy, the taxi tour. This is not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, I mean, go ahead. I'm not cool enough for that though. So, but he was so nice. He was like our dad for the day. Made sure that we were well fed and we were happy, and seeing us fed and happy made him happy. And like when we went to the aquarium for 2 hours, came back and he was like, I missed you guys. I'm like, oh. Made sure that we got dinner, and he allowed us to go overtime, and he didn't charge us for going overtime, and he drove us back to our pension because he didn't want us to take another taxi and spend more money to go from dinner to the hotel. So it's just like, but he was so kind. What a kind man. Oh, how'd you like Jeju? How'd you like the mountain? How'd you like Jeju? How'd you like the mountain?
Yeah.
It was cold.
The way up was nice and the way down was a struggle for survival.
And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. What are you doing?
How did you like the mountain? How'd you like Jeju?
Did you like the food? Oh, the food was so dang. We ate so well, guys. We ate so well. My camera's about to die, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you next time for whatever vlog this episode is next. That was off. So sorry, that was off.